Well, what do you think about it, George? Do you think it's going to be all right? Well, there's always a reason. This is the old Vizio TV set, and anyway, it worked very good for a very long time, and the turn it on and stays on for about a minute, and then it makes a loud screech and then shuts itself off. So pretty simple to take the back off. That's the back of the old one, and it just has a bunch of screws all the way around it. That's all the screws for it right there. Then you just take the screws off of it, and then it unsnaps from the back. Pretty simple stuff. And this right here is the power supply board, and I've already disconnected it, and that's the power supply board. And the great thing about this type of technology is it's plug and play. So you just unplug it, and since this set was manufactured in 2012, I'm going to replace the power board and the motherboard. That's the motherboard. It's much smaller and it's much easier, really easy just to unplug it. You have to unplug it very carefully. And that's the motherboard. This is a 60-inch diagonal. It's a Vizio. Been a good TV set, but has a problem. And the idea is that I'm gonna install it out here in my shop area, right there in between the rod on a mount, and then I'll have me a nice TV for out here in my workshop area. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll let you know how I progress. We'll see you next time. Bye now. And as I always say, if you're not having fun, I hope you are, because we are.